New baby, new body, and new hair troubles. If you are a new mom dealing with unexpected hair loss, then this video is for you. Let's get into the root of postpartum hair loss together. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Fatima, clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. Welcome to our channel 9 Mantras and thanks for being part of our mission to educate million moms and moms to be. First, let's understand what postpartum hair loss really is. Postpartum hair loss is also known as postpartum alopecia. It is temporary form of hair loss that occurs after giving birth. It's a natural process, but it can be alarming if you are not prepared for it. Studies show that up to 50% of women experience noticeable hair loss after giving birth. So if you are going through this, remember you're not alone. When does it typically start and end? Postpartum hair loss usually begins about 2 to 4 months after delivery. For most women, this hair loss is temporary and their hair returns to its normal fullness by their baby's first birthday. However, some women may experience it for longer. Now let's understand the reasons behind this. During pregnancy, higher levels of estrogens prolong the growing stage of their hair follicles, giving you that lush, full hair many women enjoy during pregnancy. After delivery, estrogen levels drop dramatically, causing more hair follicles to enter into the resting stage and eventually fall out. Pregnancy and breastfeeding can deplete your body of important nutrients. Deficiencies in iron, vitamin D, and B complex vitamins can contribute to hair loss. New motherhood is beautiful, but let's be honest, it's also stressful and exhausting. Both stress and sleep deprivation can impact your hair health. Other factors include thyroid imbalances, genetics, and age. I'll tell you some practical scenarios leading to hair loss. As a new mom, you might be unknowingly doing things that contribute to hair loss. For example, tight hairstyles. When you are busy with your baby, it's so tempting to just pull your hair back into a tight ponytail or a bun. However, this can cause traction alopecia, adding to your postpartum hair loss. Next, irregular eating habits. With a newborn, timely meals may not be possible. This can affect your nutrient intake. Now, the biggest mistake is neglecting self care routines. It's so easy to forget about your own needs when caring for a baby, but neglecting your hair care routine can increase hair loss. The good news is that there are many natural ways to combat postpartum hair loss. Focus on a well balanced diet rich in protein, iron, and vitamins. You can consider supplements, but always consult your doctor first, especially if you are breastfeeding. Scalp massage can be soothing, and this can improve blood circulation to your scalp and also promote hair growth. Try massaging your scalp for few minutes each day. You can try natural hair masks and oils for this, and you can also use ingredients like coconut oil, aloe vera, curd, fenugreek seeds, and eggs. Stress management techniques like meditation or yoga can be helpful. Also, try getting some sleep. I know this can be easy to say, but try getting sleep as much as possible. Sometimes home remedies aren't enough. It's important to speak to your doctor if you are experiencing excessive hair loss, bald patches, or if your hair loss continues well beyond 12 months. There are different treatment options available, like topical treatments with some oils and serums, oral medications, and advanced therapies like PRP. Okay, now let me guide you on fixing your hair care routine. Developing a hair care routine that works for your new lifestyle is important. Use suitable shampoos and conditioners. Invest in a silk pillowcase to avoid that friction and consider a short haircut for easy maintenance. And it's also your personal choice. Use lukewarm water and pat your hair dry instead of just rubbing vigorously. Loose braids or low soft buns can protect your hair while keeping it out of your baby's grasp. Hair loss can take an emotional toll. Remember, this is temporary. Focus on the amazing thing that your body has done in creating a new life. It's not selfish to take care of yourself. A happy, healthy mom means a happy, healthy baby. While you can't completely prevent postpartum hair loss, but you can be prepared for this. So start nurturing your hair before you conceive. Develop a good hair care habits and address any existing hair or scalp issues. Eat a balanced diet and take your prenatal vitamins as advised by your doctor. Understand that some hair loss is normal. Knowing what to expect can help you cope better when it happens. In the meantime, be kind to yourself. And remember, you are beautiful inside out. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advices. Remember, your support helps us create more content like this. See you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy and take care.